Success is not measured by what you achieve but by the obstacles you overcome. Let's begin our today class with our question number 4 of DAV Maths class 8 chapter 4 and our chapter name is direct and inverse variation. So here our question number 4 is a motorboat covers 20 km in 4 hours. What distance will it cover in 7 hours where speed remaining the same? In this question we have asked that we have given that a motorboat covers 20 km distance in 4 hours. In this question we find out the distance what distance the motorboat cover in 7 hours. So firstly I have to make the table for this question. Now I start making the table for this question. I write in the first box distance cover in kilometer. So here 20 kilometer distance cover in 4 hours. Here I write time taken in hours. So here 20 kilometer distance is covered in 4 hours and now we have to find the distance covered in 7 hours. So I write 7 in this line here 7 and let the distance cover in 7 hours is x. So I write here x. Here this 7 is greater than 4. Here is 4 in 4 and 7 is bigger. So here 7 is bigger. So here the quantity is increases here. Here motorboat takes 4 hours to complete or cover the distance of this 20 km. So here the time taken, here the hours are 7 hours. So here the distance will be more. Here 4 is smaller and 7 is bigger. So in 4 hours it covers 20 km. So here the hours are 7. So it is here the number will be greater than this 20. Hence this quantity also increases, and we know that when both quantities are increases, it is a case of direct variation. So I write here it is a case of direct variation. Here the one quantity is increase, then the another quantity is also increase. So as the time increases, here the distance will also increase. As the time increases, the distance will also increase here. So it is a case of this direct variation. We know that the formula of direct variation is x upon y is equal to k, that is constant here. So I write from here 20 upon 4 is equal to x upon 7. Now I do here the by cross multiply. So by doing the by cross multiply here, 7 multiplied by this 20 is equal to this 4 multiplied by x here. So now I have to find the value of this x here. I write here x is equal to this 7 multiplied by 20 upon 4 is in multiply here. Now here it becomes in the divisor. I write here 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20 and 7 5s are 35. There x is equal to this 7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 35 kilometer. So in 7 hours the motorboat covers 35 kilometer. 35 kilometer here our answer. So I also write here is equal to 35 kilometer. So stay connected with us for more videos for next worksheet. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. So that's all in today's video.